Sagittarius oracle reading, and let's see what Sagittarius messages are. But before we start, please go ahead and check your sun, moon and rising, even though your rising taroscope or horoscope would be the most accurate. Okay, let's see. Spirit, what do we have for dear Sagittarius? You're leaving behind certain things, you're moving on from emotionally unfulfilling relationships and everything in between that did not work for you or did not serve you. Sometimes it's very hard to come to this point, 8 of Cups, because this is the last point when you absolutely know that things are not going to work out anymore, whatever you do. So yeah, that was the back of the deck energy. Now let's go ahead. But you know what, dear Sagittarius, because you're moving on from something, Spirit is going to give you a new emotionally fulfilled life, because you get the 10 of Cups, and this 10 of Cups is the entire culmination of all happy things, because you see there's a family, there's a baby, there's a child, there's abundance of food and love, and see the couple is in love and they're looking at each other. So it's beautiful. The next card that we have is 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups is the card for choosing between all the good things, because now you have the option of choosing what's right for you. And the fun thing is that all these options that you're getting now, since you've moved on from your past, these are all good things. If you can look at the options, all good things come to those who wait. And the next one is King of Cups. So if you're a woman and you're watching this, expect a Scorpio, Pisces or Cancer man to enter your life, or this can be an authoritative figure or a father figure. But this person, okay, so of course if it's a new man in your life, he is going to give you this kind of a 10 of Cups situation. But if it's an authoritative figure or your father figure or anybody else to whom you deem to be in that position in your life, for that person the message is of reconciliation. Of this is an intuitive hit that I'm getting right now. It is about reconciliation and coming back together, because the King of Cups, look, he is a man sitting on a lone island, and at the back you can see a mermaid and a dolphin. But King of Cups, even though they are the most emotional of the kings, but he is still somebody who is aloof, because of course he is the king and he needs to take care of his kingdom, right? So I actually see good things for you. Spirit, is there anything else that Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising need to know? Any special messages? Okay, these 2 cards want to jump out. Let's see. Okay, 2 things. You are being very anxious about whatever you're leaving behind, because you don't see any hope. Even though 9 of Swords, in this particular deck you can see the sun rising, but it actually doesn't happen as such in the traditional deck, because 9 of Swords is like it's a lot of mental stress, a lot of anxiety, confusion, and it clearly is saying that you are trying to make a decision. So dear Sag people, you are going to come up with 2 decisions. One leads you towards the world, and the other one keeps you home. Yeah, this is a very important decision. Let's see what your oracle has to say. Okay, let's see what your oracle has to say. You will be getting heavenly signs, so keep on the lookout. Anything can be a sign. Just keep in touch with your intuition. Go within. Adult children. Wow, this really ties in. For those of you, uh, for those of you with whom this resonates, that there's a reconciliation or somehow of a reconciliation talk in a way. The King of Cups, this adult children represents the King of Cups. I think maybe this can be something that you're moving on from as well. Keep the faith. What I mean by this, that you might be, finally moving on from this, is that it can be that you've lost, like I said, you do not see any point in trying to keep making this work or keep giving the effort. Healthcare change. Okay, for some of you, I'm getting the message that this person was highly toxic, which did induce health-related problems within yourself. And for some of you, you know that leaving this person behind in the past is what's going to give you peace in the future. But this message is not for everyone, because for some of you, good things are coming up in the horizon. You're moving on from a job or something, because you got the Two of Wands, and it also talks about your passions and your willpower, or things that you just want to do, which might not be rational all the time. So among those lines, so it's a mixed reading for you, Sagittarius. Please comment and let me know which situation is resonating with you. Okay, and if you want a private reading, all the information is down in the description box. Stay tuned. See you in the next oracle reading.